Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video I'll show you what I have purchased recently. This one is a kit from Face Shop which they have launched recently. I have received this parcel last week, but for some reason I was not able to make video on it. So without wasting your more time, I'll just open the box and I'll show you what are the products there inside this box. This kit I got it for like 1599, 1599. You can also get it on Nika, as I have shop from Nika. And this is how the bag look like. It's not a bag, it's kind of pouch, but it looks very strong. Yes, it's a strong bag. I'll just open it. So I'll keep all the product outside in order to show you one by one properly. So there are approximately 6 to 7 product, I guess. So the color of this bag is kind of light purple. It's very strong. The quality of this bag is really good, but I'm not happy with the color. I thought it would be little different, but it's okay. For some people it might be like wow. For me it's okay. But the quality of this bag is really very good. It also has the golden chain. So I'll just close it. The chain quality is also very good. I am really very happy with my purchase. I mean, paying 1600 and you're getting all this stuff, it's like worth buying. So the first one is this green tea marks. This one is green tea facial marks. They have given two green tea marks. These all products are from the same brand, Face Shop. So these are all the instruction how to apply it and how much you have to keep it on your face. So I'll just keep it here. The second one is the rice water bright cleansing foam cleanser. You must have seen this in my earlier video as well. This cleanser is really very good for skin. I mean, um, this is one of my favorite product, I would say. This cleanser is like 100 ml, which is like again worth buying product, where you're not getting small things. The third one is this food peeling marks, which is again a good product to keep your food moisturized and soft. These are all the instruction how to apply. Let's just check inside. By pressing this I can feel that the consistency inside this thing is like watery. I think this mask is watery kind of. So I'll just keep it back and I'll open when I feel like applying this. This thing is really very cute. I mean, you can simply put it on your bag, sling bag or handbag, whatever you feel like. And here it's written you go girl, which is a girly thing. The next product is this green tea. This one is perfume hand cream which smells like uh, lemon green tea. I have smelled this already, so it smells refreshing sort of green tea with lemon flavor, which is again a soothing smell. And the next one is this tint. This one is watery tint, again from Face Shop. If you purchase this outside, you'll get it for like 420 rupees. Wait, I'll show you the price. So here you can see the price. The color of this tint is like cherry tomato. Yeah, same like cherry tomato. The next one is this bright cleanser. No, this one is uh, rice water bright cleansing oil. This one is specially for like removing your makeup, and it's 55 ml, which is again not small. I mean, okay, 1 or 2 months you can definitely use this one. The last one is this box. For what I have spent this whole amount, this one is Yevadam range. I maybe pronounce it wrong. It's Yevadam or Yevadam. I really don't know. So this is the complete range where I have got the serum, toner, emulsion and face cream. And the first one is this face cream, Yevadam revitalizing cream, which is 10 ml. This one smells like heaven. I really like the fragrance of this cream. My camera is not focusing right now. So there you see, it's Yevadam. Sorry if I may pronounce it wrong. The texture of this cream is like thick consistency. It smells really very nice. The next one is this serum. I thought this is eye cream, but it's not eye cream, it's a serum. So the second one is the serum, and this is, wait, let the camera focus. So this is emulsion, Yevadam revitalizing emulsion, and it's 30 ml, I guess. No, it's 32 ml. Both the emulsion and the toner is 32 ml. And the next one is the toner, revitalizing toner from Yevadam. I don't know why, but my camera has that focusing issue. Unable to open it, but actually feel its toner is like watery. All toners are watery, so there's nothing difference. I am really very excited to try this kit. I especially wanted this one to try, for that I have bought this kit. So these are all the products which I have received. Let me count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 product, plus that pouch including. So I can't wait to try all these products. So yeah, that's it for today now. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, also share it with your friends. Till then, keep smiling. Bye.